Hey guys, it's Vic here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Why am I so awkward? This video is more of a chit chat, like get ready with me because I'm talking a lot because I just have so much energy because I haven't been on here for a while. It's not really like a voiceover tutorial, so it's going to be a lot longer. Like you probably already saw the time for this video or whatever. What am I trying to say? My foot fell asleep. Like this video, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the little bell notification to be notified whenever I upload new videos, because I'm definitely going to start doing that more consistently this time. If you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. This is so weird. I haven't filmed in like forever. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no foundation on my face right now. Sorry. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelids with my, ooh, this is going to be hard. I'm like so far away from the camera. So this is my, Better Skin Concealer. I'm just going to prime my eyelids and blend it out with my finger. So just to set my eyes, I'm going to take this color, like any of these, I don't even know. I'll take the first one. I'm going to take the first one and set my concealer because it's already like starting to crease and I'm not dealing with that. I'm going to take this brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush. I don't know. And I'm going to take this color right here. This brush is actually kind of really dirty, but I'm going to take this color. It'll be fine. Oops. I'm going to take that color and put it right into my crease and blend upwards. I'm using this color as a transition. Color in, just kind of everywhere. And then I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer because I like this one more to like put in as a transition. So I'm just going to take this with another fluffy brush. I don't know where this brush is from, honestly. So, oops. Sorry. I'm just going to do basically the exact same thing. Oh my god, I work so much. And then the other day, I just walked out on my job. I need to do that, like a story time. That's going to be a story time someday because, oh my gosh, I just walked out. I was pissed. I was really, really pissed. Oh my gosh, I suck at this. I'm so bad. I'm using my Tartelette palette, by the way. So from here, I'm going to go in with this one right here. It's like a little bit of a brown, and this brush, it's like a brown. I think it looks lighter on camera, but it's like it's a warmer tone kind of brown, but it's a tad bit dark. I'm gonna put this all in my outer corner and just kind of pack it in. I'm focused on the packing first, and then I go ahead and blend. blending out borders. I think I'm gonna go in a tad bit with this one right here. Oh, there we go. That's like a true color. There we go. I'm gonna go in with this one, like just a little bit. And this is a what's it called? Real Techniques brush. I love this brush. Just gonna pack it on, like right on the outer corner. Drag it outwards to create kind of like a wing. I'm gonna go in and blend. Oh my gosh, this brush is so soft. Oh my goodness, this brush is so soft, it's insane. I'm gonna go in and cut my crease. So I'm gonna take my concealer, the one that I was using before, and I'm gonna put some right on my lid. Just right here, and then I'm gonna look up, and right where it transferred, that's how far up I need to bring the concealer. I don't know what I'm gonna put on the lid just yet. Let's do this one. This is actually a highlighter palette by Morphe. Next thing I'm gonna do is my face, and I'm gonna go wet my little sponge. Looked at myself in the mirror, and I realized that I forgot to put on my eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyeliner really quickly because I somehow forgot to do that beforehand. So now I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer. I'm going to bronze my face and also contour my face. And like an angled kind of brush. I think this is actually like a blush brush. I'm going with my Bella Bomba Benefit blush. I love this stuff. It smells really good. And I'm also gonna go in with my Urban Decay Naked Flushed palette, because this has like a, can you even see that? Probably not, huh? No. It has a bronzer, a highlight, and a blush. I love this blush. And it's also kind of shimmery. So like I was saying before, you don't really need to put like highlight on top of this. But you know how extra I am, right? Should I do a red lip? Right now. Why not? We're literally going all out today. I'm doing a red lip. This is the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lipstick in Ambush. It's like a bright red. try going in with red. Oh my god. Honestly, this is not the brush that I use for highlight. But I can't find my highlighter brush. And I'm sad. So I'm using Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. I always use like 500 highlights, okay? That is like my favorite part. I just go crazy with the highlights. Now I'm using the highlight that is in my Naked palette, my Naked Flush palette. And then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. Oh my god, these are beautiful. Look at these. Look at these. I won't focus. I'm gonna go in with Sunshine. And I'm just gonna pack it on my cheekbones.